You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 37. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 6/7 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 7/3. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 37.